Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a serious issue, the dreaded support code SS6 on Snapchat. If you're seeing the message, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Support code SS6. You're in the right place. First, let's understand what SS6 really means. It's not just a login glitch. It signals that Snapchat has banned your device because of suspicious behavior, repeated failed logins, or possible violations of their community guidelines. Important: if your device is banned, even creating a new account on the same device may not fix it. Here's how to try and fix it. 1. Stop all login attempts immediately. If you keep trying and failing, the ban timer restarts or extends. Just wait 24 hours with no further login tries. 2. Ensure you're on the official app and your network is clean. Update Snapchat to the latest version via the App Store or Google Play. Remove any VPNs, proxies, or weird network setups. These can trigger device or IP flags. 3. Clear cache or reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat Storage, Clear Cache, and maybe Clear Data. On iOS, you'll want to offload, then reinstall Snapchat so you start clean. 4. Use a different device. If your phone is the one banned, try logging into Snapchat from a different smartphone or tablet. If it works there, you've confirmed the ban is device-specific. Sadly, if the ban is tied to your device's unique ID, you may need to switch devices. 5. Appeal if you believe the ban is wrong. Open Snapchat, attempt login, and if you see an appeal decision prompt, follow the steps to submit your case. Note, that option only appears on eligible locks and bans. 6. Prevent future bans. Don't use modified versions of Snapchat. Avoid mass friend requests. Don't connect shady third-party apps, plugins. Don't send spam. Play by the rule. If you found this walkthrough useful, smash the like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop a comment if you successfully resolved your SS6 issue or want help on another Snapchat error. I'll see you in the next one.